Hello and welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 17 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous three questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, who has launched 11 cricket stars as its brand ambassador? Bharat Pay, Phone Pay, Google Pay, or option D, Amazon Pay. The correct answer here is Bharat Pay. Recently, Bharat Pay has announced the launch of its high-impact TV campaign starring Team Bharat Pay with 11 cricket stars as brand ambassador. Okay, our second question was, who has kept Pakistan on its enhanced follow-up list? ADB, FATF, AIIB, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, FATF. Financial Action Task Force. FATF stands for Financial Action Task Force. Recently, FATF has kept Pakistan in its enhanced follow-up list. Okay, and the headquarters of the FATF is situated in Paris, France, and it is established in 1989. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Food Day is observed? World Food Day is observed 15 October, 16 October, 17 October, or option D, 18 October. Can you guess the answer here? Every year on 16 October, World Food Day is observed. Okay, the day is celebrated to eradicate the worldwide hunger from our lifetime. Okay, and the theme of 2020 is grow, nourish, sustain, and together. Grow, nourish, sustain, and together is the theme of 2020. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Soronbay Jinbekov has resigned from the president of which country? Somalia, Kazakhstan, Saudi Arabia, option D, none of these. The answer here is Kazakhstan. Recently, the Kazakhstan's president Soronbay Jinbekov has resigned from his post. Okay, he served as the president from the 2017 to 2020. Okay, and the capital of the Kazakhstan is Bishkek. Bishkek is the capital here, and currency is Kazakhstani som. Kazakhstani som is the currency of Kazakhstan. You can see the image of the president here, the ex-president of the Kazakhstan. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. First Indian to win Oscar, Bhanu Athaiya, passed away. She was got this award in which year? 1970, 1975, 1982, option D, 1990. The answer here is 1982. Option C is correct here. The first Indian to win Oscar award, Bhanu Athaiya, recently passed away. She won the Best Costumes Design Oscar for her work in 1982. In 1982, he got the award. In the film Gandhi, the name of the film for the film Gandhi. Okay, here you can see the image of the Bhanu Athaiya here. Okay, recently passed away. So obituary's point of view, this question is very much important. Next question. Which country is elected as the president of International Solar Alliance? India, France, Australia, option D, America. Recently, India has re-elected as the president of ISA, International Solar Alliance. International Solar Alliance. Okay, India is re-elected as the president, and France is re-elected as the co-president of the ISA for a term of 2 years. The term is 2 years. Okay, and the headquarters of the ISA is situated in Gurugram, Haryana. Remember, it is situated in Gurugram, Haryana, and the leader of the ISA is Upendra Tripathi. Upendra Tripathi is the leader and the chief of International Solar alliance. Next question. India contributed $1 million to whom for Palestine refugees? WPF, IMF, UNRWA, option D ADB. The answer here is option C UNRWA. Recently, India has contributed $1 million to UNRWA for the Palestine refugees in Near East. Okay, UNRWA. UNRWA stands for United Nations Relief and Works Agency. United Nations Relief and Work Agency. The headquarters of the UNRWA is situated in Amman, Jordan. Amman in Jordan country. Okay, and the commissioner of the UNRWA is Philip Lazzarini. Philip Lazzarini. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. NTPC's CMD Chairman and Managing Director Gurdeep Singh term extended to which year? 2021, 2022, 2024 or option D 2025. The answer here is 2025. Okay. The Appointments Committee of Cabinet, the ACC, Appointments Committee of Cabinet has extended the tenure of the state-run National Thermal Power Corporation NTPC Limited, the chairman and the managing director Gurdeep Singh till 31st July 2025. Till 31st July 2025. Okay, you can see here the image of the Gurdeep Singh, CMD of the NTPCs. Question number 7. Which language legendary poet Akkitam passed away? Odia, Malayalam, Kannada, option D Telugu. The answer here is Malayalam. The veteran and the legendary Malayalam poet and the Jnanapitha awardee Mahakavi Akkitam Achyutan Namthom III recently passed away, and also he got Padma Shri in 2017. Was conferred with Padma Shri award also in 2017, and he recently passed away. You can see the image of the Akkitam, the famous Malayalam poet here. Question number 8. Who has been named as ambassador for the Half Marathon Championship Gdynia 2020? Constantina Dita, Kristalina Bezos, Ankita Sharma, option D none of these. Answer here is Constantina Dita. Recently, the Romanians 2008 Olympic champion Constantina Dita has been named as the ambassador for World Athletics Half Marathon Championship. World Athletic Half Marathon Championship of Gdynia 2020. Okay, you can see the image of Constantina Dita here. Okay. Question number 9. Who is notified as National Authority of Shipping Recycling? Who is notified as National Authority for Shipping Recycling? Director General of Army, DG of Shipping, DG of RBI, or option D none of these. Answer here is Director General of Shipping. Okay, the central government has notified the Director General of Shipping as the National Authority for Recycling of Ships. Okay, and the DG of Shipping is Amitabh Kumar, and the Minister of the Shipping is recently Mansukh L Mandavia. Mansukh L Mandavia is the Minister of Shipping. Okay. Last question of the today's session is: Cabinet has approved STARS project. It will be started in how many states? 5, 6, 7, or option D 8. The answer here is 6. Option B is correct here. The Union Cabinet has approved the STARS project. STARS stands for Strengthening Teaching, Learning and Results for States. Strengthening Teaching, Learning and Results for States. The total cost of the project is about 5,718 crore, and World Bank assist about 500 million USD. It's about 3,700 crore is assist by World Bank here. Okay, and the 6 states are, the project will be going on in the 6 states, and the 6 states are Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Kerala, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment box, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay. Our first question is Sujal mission is started in which state? Our second question is which country has approved second coronavirus vaccine Epivac Corona? Okay, please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. If you think that the content is so rich and it is very much helpful for your preparation, then you can share it in your educational related group. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And a humble request to the new visitor of the educational wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.